Hello, Jim Robinson here from ProfitTrading.com. I hope you're having a great day. Here's 1, 2, 3 top pattern that happened in sugar last year. So we're just going to take a look at how that unfolded. This is a good pattern when you can see it coming in. Sometimes it's clear as a bell and sometimes it's not. Like if you're expecting a top to come in, like if you're looking for a top here and then you see a lower high here, then it's really something you want to look to take. Okay, the entry point or trigger to go short once we have a 1, 2, 3 top setup is a break of 0.2. The way they count a 1, 2, 3 high is the high is 0.1, the first move down is 0.2, and then that leaves behind a low, and then the next move up is 0.3, and that leaves a higher low that doesn't go up and make a new high. So what that's telling you is the sellers are taking control, and if point number 2 gets broken, that's a place to go short. So the sell stop goes right here just below 0.2. Now we're going to look at what happened with this trade. And I don't get the chart up there all the way like I want it, but that's okay. You can see most of it. Okay, basically it got 0.2 got broken on a wide range day, and that's pretty common, and that pretty much tells you the sellers have taken over. And put your stop above 0.3 when you get entered. So your entry point is 0.2, your stop's 0.3, so that limits your risk. You don't want to put your stop above point high, because if it's a good signal, if it's a good trade, it shouldn't go back above 0.3. So that cuts down your risk a little bit. And then basically, as the market moves down, you want to move your stop to break even as soon as possible, but you don't want to, do it too quick. But, move your stop to break even as soon as possible and just basically let it run, because a lot of tops and bottoms are made on these 1, 2, 3s. So really, for a fairly small risk, you can get a pretty large profit if this thing just keeps going down. And then, there's other techniques to trail your stop a little closer, and if this were to come down here and move back up, then you might just take a shorter term profit. It just depends on how you're playing it. If you would have sold 2 contracts here, you could have went for a short term profit and a long term profit and played it, with a couple different stop levels. But that's it for a real quick trading lesson on the 1, 2, 3 top. We'll look at 1, 2, 3 bottoms another day, but this is Jim Robinson. Please stop by ProfitTrading.com for my free trading newsletters, and thank you for listening to my video. Thank you very much.